looking back at all the flips that I've done since 2012, 2013, and all of them have gone up like 30, 40%. So if I was able just to hold on, like bring on investors, just hold on to every single flip that I bought, I probably would be like net worth income wise, probably in the same place. And that's way less work, obviously, just buying it. But it takes a lot of capital. But like I've have flips that I sold for 700,000 back in 2017 that are worth $1 million now. So, you know, would it be better just to buy those as rentals, wait and do like cash out refinances and just keep like rolling that way? Like, it's just a whole debate on flipping is capital intensive, but it's also labor intensive. Like you put a lot of time into it as well. When buying a rental, you rent it out. It's kind of like it's somewhat passive. So it's a debate. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that only buy rentals, and there's a lot of people that only buy flips. There's a lot of people that only wholesale, but I think like a combination of all three of those is really the best thing. And for me, like I was missing out on the rental side. I just barely own rentals now, but I think there's a huge opportunity there, especially in Southern California. I mean, the last 10 years, the market has just exploded. I don't know if the next 10 years is going to be that way or if we're going to go through a little cycle and then come back. But it was just a huge opportunity to buy after the crash of 2008 and just wait. So I think about that sometimes.
I think it's tricky because, like, bro, like no one know, like you don't even know if like you're gonna be
Yeah.
around in 3 years, 5 years. So like, this wealth creation of buying like 50 rentals, like you don't even know if you're gonna be around for it. So, and with flipping, like you get such big lump sums of money that you can just reinvest it and create wealth now and invest that money into something that will actually give you passive income. So it's not like just like a job. Like what we're doing now with the Airbnbs. Like I think that's a great move that I see for myself. Like daily job that I like, flipping big chunks of money, and then I have my portfolio of short-term rentals that's gonna give me that passive income, and my other businesses. So I think it's gotta be, yeah, like you said, like a balance of like, if you like it, then do it. That's the day job, and then whatever it is, and then just invest into something that's gonna give you that
Yeah.
passive income. Because if you're sick, if something happens, like you don't want to be stressing or putting your family in that situation where there's no income because you're not able to be there.
Yeah.